Kritika, and on phone line with me, I've got this is what I've been talking about. I've got an author. Now, her name is Diba Salim, and she has written a book called Urma. Now, she's based here in Dubai, in the UAE, and she's settled out here, and she's written this lovely book called Urma. It's an Iranian girl's pursuit for her lost life. That is what the book is all about. It's all about hope and strength and inspiration and passion and focus and hardships and winning over those and overcoming all your troubles. And it is quite an inspiring book. Like I said, I've got Diba Salim right here on the phone line with me. Hello.
Hello. Hi,
Good morning. Hi, Deepa. How are you?
Good, thank you. Good morning to you and to all your listeners.
Thank you very much. Deepa, first of all, congratulations on this book called Urma.
Thank you so much.
Now, I'm going to ask you the cliched question, but we want to know from you because you have written this book. Tell us your thoughts behind writing a book like this one.
Difficult to say one thought, but yes, I think when I was a child, at the age of 11, I was staying with my parents in Iran.
Right.
And when the revolution happened, I was packed off to Delhi to study with my grandparents.
Okay.
So I think the seeds were sown around that time. So the feeling of pain and loss due to displacement,
Right.
I think that is what really drove me to write.
Right.
And then seeing all the women in Iran and the war that followed, those impressions were all the time flashing on TV. I mean, we just couldn't hide away from it. And because my parents were there, so I was like in front of TV all the time.
Right.
So I think it was just amalgamation of all of that, plus whatever I read and heard,
Right.
everything put together, yeah.
How does it feel, Deepa, to be an author based in the UAE? There are not very many. So how's that feeling?
Good, it's fantastic.
Think people are, responsive to your work like you would want them to be?
Well, I think I could do a bit more. I mean, yeah. The thing is that the book is just being launched.
Right.
So yes, it's in the right places. It's in the book world and everywhere else.
Yeah.
bookstores.
Yeah.
But probably, I think if people will read, they will know more about the story. And I think any author would just want to, people to connect with the work.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, this is not what you do full time. Advertising is your profession, and you are an author as well. Where and how do you fit the time for your family, for your job, for your writing? How do you do it all?
I think I would like to label myself as a juggler. So I've got these different things.
Okay.
Advertising being one, I paint also, I write,
Oh,
and
wow.
then I'm a mother of 3. So
Lovely.
I think I just focus on the thing or the need of the hour.
Oh,
Whatever
that's
I'm doing, I think I just focus on that.
Okay,
so-
great. All right,
then-
Diva, for all those people now who are hearing about your book Urma
Yeah.
and who want to buy it, where can they go and pick it up?
They can go to Kinokuniya Book World in Dubai Mall,
Okay.
Jashan Mall stores,
Okay.
all books, and Carrefour.
Okay.
So yeah, it's available most of these places.
Most of these places. Okay.
Yeah.
And for someone who's just about tuning in right now who doesn't know anything about your book Urma,
Yeah,
if
yeah.
I had to ask you to talk about your book,
Mhm.
what would you say to someone who doesn't know what Urma is about, who hasn't read the back like I have?
Okay.
What would you say to that person? What is Urma?
Okay, I would say that Urma is a story of my protagonist, who is Urma Behdad.
Uh-huh.
She's a very strong woman
Okay.
whose life gets unwittingly changed by the course of history.
Okay.
So, like normally people will love and then lose and then again fall in love,
Right.
But for Urma, her emotional clock stopped with the revolution of Iran as she fled the country without her love.
Okay.
So now what happens when Urma leaves Iran at the brink of Iranian revolution, and will she ever find her love, or will other men in her life change her mind?
Okay.
This people have to read Urma to find out.
So it's a love story, it's got hardships,
Yes.
it's got all those
It's a
things.
journey of Urma, yeah. It's a journey of a protagonist
Yeah.
as to how she discovers herself, her love and her love for country, all of those things.
Superb. So if there's some demons in your heart or in your past, then you can actually go into that as well, and this might help you address that problem too. Diba, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kritika, for taking me on the
If
show.
there are any questions that come in, any of the listeners who are listening to us right now, if you've got any questions for Diba, okay, about the book, about writing as a profession, about getting your due as a writer in the UAE, any questions that Diba can help you with, please send them to us on 4199. I will get Diba on the line again next week and we can answer those questions. Diba, thank you so much for
Thank you.
giving